In this video, we are going to talk about earn $500 per day from Google News. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Even if you're a complete newbie, I'll show you how to earn money with Google News today. Like every other method on our site for making money online, this one does not need any special knowledge on your part. What is Google News? Google News is a content syndication network for websites that publish news, and it gathers news pieces from millions of news websites located all over the world. In exchange for the use of the news organization's material, Google News drives traffic to the news organization's websites. Due to the fact that Google News is updated every hour, it is the greatest spot to look for important breaking news stories from all around the world. Strategy to use and earn money from Google News. The method that we are going to utilize to earn money from Google News is going to be fairly easy. All you have to do is choose an item that is currently being shown on Google News, then copy and paste it into a tool. After that, we'll post it on a website that will pay us some money for it in exchange for our contribution. Eatingwell.com is the website that we'll be using, and it is a website that specializes in the nutrition niche. Additionally, they are presently looking for contributors. Find content. It's time to start looking for material now that I've previously described the approach that we'll be using to generate money off of Google News. Simply visit the Google News website, and then go to the health section that can be found in the sidebar on the left. After that, choose the nutrition tab from the menu. Doing so will bring up every recently published item on the subject of nutrition from the millions of websites whose material is hosted on Google News. Scroll through the articles, and when you come across one that has an intriguing title and has content that real people would be interested in reading, click on it. Then copy sufficient content, say between 300 and 500 words. The more material you replicate, the greater the likelihood that you will get revenue from Google News. Using the free tool, Spinbot is the free application that we are going to be utilizing, and it is designed to assist you rewrite text and eliminate any instances of plagiarism. Simply you should now go to spinbot.com and paste the material that you copied into the text box that is located on that website. After you have verified the CAPTCHA and pasted the material that you copied into the box, you may proceed by clicking on the Go button. Your post will now be rewritten, and it will seem as if you generated the material yourself from fresh while avoiding any instances of plagiarism. Writing for Eatingwell.com. If the story you propose to Eatingwell.com ends up becoming one of their published pieces, the website will pay you up to $1 per word for your contribution. If the material that we put together consisted of about 500 words, then Eatingwell.com will pay you $500 after it has been published. We will easily produce content by using Google News and Spinbot rather than spending a couple of hours gathering data from various sources. Provide a look at the submission rules that they have on their website. Final step on making money with Google News. It is not a good idea for you to replicate the material that you have repurposed and then submit it to Eatingwell using this pitching form. In the majority of cases, it may take up to 1 month before you get a response from the editorial staff at their company. Because of the large amount of material that is presented to customers on a daily basis, a lot of individuals are taking advantage of the possibility to earn money through Google News. Conclusion on how to make money with Google News. If you follow the instructions in this article, you'll soon find that utilizing Google News alone may bring in more than $500 in daily revenue for you. I really hope you found this post on how to make money from Google News to be interesting and helpful. If so, what are you waiting for? Commence the process of putting this approach into action. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.